To the one I love being in love with you. It is a beautiful feeling. It is not beautiful because it is like a fairy tale. Because it is not. It is beautiful because it has its own share of ups and downs. Yet I know I always have you as my happy ending. You bring hope in my life. You teach me how to love without expectations. Your love is so sweet, so reassuring. I don't know what I would ever do without you. I want to spend the rest of myself with you. Because I know without you, I will always be searching for happiness. I love you so much. Always be mine. Love is not something to impress. It is a feeling to be expressed. My love, I confess to you this day that in my life you are the one who matter every way. I cannot see anything except your love. Baby, know that my love for you is so true. Know that I am in love with you. Can't think of anything else except you. I will always love you. Since the time I have met you, my love, my heart is not mine anymore. Since the time I have you in my life, my heart is lost to the core. The magic of your love takes me to some other world. I get lost in your eyes. I get lost to where things suffice. Baby, I am so in love with you, and this will not ever change in you. This magic will forever continue. In the well of time, I love you. You are the reason why I breathe. You are like my breath in life. Whenever I think of a life without you, I get a thought I won't survive. Such is the magic of your love. Such is the magical feeling with you. My heart is all of yours to know. There is a vibe that I feel in you. Baby, this love won't ever change in life. I always want you in my life. Baby, I am in love with you. The love full of passion. The love so true.